Hi, Learning Coaches. I'm here to show you how to help your student begin using their online journal. Once you have clicked the link that your teacher sent you, it will open up into PowerPoint. From there, you will begin. So the first thing you want to do is make sure they have changed this to say their name. So instead of your name, I'm going to just click on it. You can see I have a flashing cursor. I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to change it. Now, this is Mrs. Snyder's journal, so I'm going to label it Mrs. Snyder September Writing Journal. Then I can click anywhere on the screen, and as you can see, it has updated with Mrs. Snyder's name. Page 2 has some directions for you, and I'm going to hop down to page 3 to show you how to write on the screen. So we're going to write on our PowerPoint slides much in the same way as your student writes on the blackboard. We need to insert some text boxes. So to do that, we are going to look across the top here for the word insert. Click on insert, and then over here you'll see text box. I'm going to click on text box, and a text box will pop up on the screen. You can see it pops up on the screen. Depending on your internet connection, it might be slightly delayed. Now that's not where I want the text box, so I'm going to click it and drag it. I want to put it up next to name. So I want to make sure I write my name. So Mrs. Snyder. And then I can click on the screen. I can do that as many times as I need to. So let's go ahead and put the date. I click on Insert Text Box again. Click over here. And our date for today is September 4th, 2018. This is a great way for your student to practice writing the date with the comma. And then I'm ready to begin my journal topic. My journal topic for today is what is your favorite food and why is it your favorite? So in this circle, I'm going to write my favorite food and on the line, why it is my favorite. And again, to do this, I'm going to click Insert and Text Box, and another text box will pop up. And I just drag it over to my circle and I begin typing my favorite food. That is it. Your changes are automatically saved and your teacher is able to see your changes, read what you have written, and make comments. Make sure your child is using their online journal every single day. This will help increase their writing skills and prepare them for 3rd grade.